Hello everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Let's make this beautiful design using thread and bead. Put a bead. Now we are going to cover it using this 2 thread. Now we are going to roll it around these threads like this and tie a knot like this and repeat the same process again and again, and you will get this beautiful design. Let's make this design using thread and this beautiful pearl. We are going to put the pearl and start tying knot on one side first. Similar way we are going to tie knot on another side as well. So hold it and start doing this process again and again. You will get this beautiful design at the end. This is a very simple technique to make a beautiful bracelet. So we are using 4 threads here. Red and yellow, you can take whatever color you like. Now hold it and start rolling it like this, one after another. Look at here, we are braiding all of them one after another like this, and look, it's ready. In this way you can make a beautiful wristband as well. This is a very easy method to make this design. So you just have to hold 2 threads and tie a knot like this. Pull it and look, your design is ready. You can make more such designs. Here we are going to make a beautiful design. So we are going to tie this white thread at the top and make 2 partitions of pink and white thread. Now take this pink thread and start tying knot. Here we are going to tie 2 knots from one end. Now we are going to do the same from other end as well. Using the white thread, we are going to tie similar 2 knots like this. Now repeat the same process over and over again, and look, your beautiful design is ready. And how simple this is, and the design is looking awesome as well. You can make more such bracelets and wristbands using this method. We're going to make a beautiful design using these threads. Here we are going to hold these 2 threads together, make 2 partitions and start tying knot first with the black one, then using the red and black as well. We are going to make a flower pattern here. So after tying one knot, we are going to do the same from other end as well. Similar way we are going to make more such designs, and look, it's done. After making a flower pattern, we are going to tie a knot using the black one only and repeat the same process like we are doing here. First tie knot using these 2 red and black one, and then using the other red and black thread like this, and look, it's done. Let's make designs using threads. Here we are going to make 2 holes and remove each one from the knot like this and pull it tightly and make a knot like this at the top. Similar way we are going to tie knot again and again using both the partitions like this, and you will get a design like we are doing here. So repeat the same process again and again for whatever length you desire, and look, your design is ready. You can make wristbands or bracelets at your home for your loved ones. This is a very easy method. So we are using this red color thread. So tie a knot at the starting like this. Similar way we are going to repeat the same process. Remove it from the center part like this and pull tightly. You will get a beautiful design like this. Now repeat the same process over and over again, and your handmade bracelet is ready, and you will get a beautiful pattern at the end like this. In this video, we're going to make a beautiful pattern using threads. You can use it for making bracelets and wristbands for your loved ones. So let's get started. Here we are using blue and white color thread. You can use whatever color you like. We are going to make 3 partitions here and tie knot at the first using white one and put the blue thread at the center, and repeat the same process of tying knot. Here we are going to use the blue thread in alternate manner on the both sides of the white threads, one after another, and look, you will get this beautiful pattern at the end. So repeat the same process, and look, it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video.